We'll discover les articles indéfinis. So, indefinite articles. So, in English, there is only one, and it's or un. Okay, and in French, we've got always the difference between the masculine form, the feminine form, and the plural form, as we saw in the previous lesson. Remember, for the definite articles. Okay, it was the same. Okay, and in this lesson, so article indéfini, well, it's the same. We'll start with the masculine form, and the masculine form goes like that. So when you put these two letters together, it can be quite tricky to pronounce at the beginning. Of course, after that you will master it without any problem and without any doubt, but you've got to pronounce it like un. So it's what we call the nasal, so it goes in your nose, okay? So if you listen to me, you don't hear any N, okay? So it's just a combination of the two. Alright? Okay, so that's the masculine form. Then the feminine article is here, and it's easier because if you have this U, N, E, then you pronounce it une. Okay? Masculine, un. Feminine form, une. Okay, and then the plural form, des. All right, here s you pronounce it like e. Okay, un, une, des. All right, let's see a few examples now. Okay, here ami means friend. Okay, un ami, and then we tend to make this little link between the two. Un ami. Okay, soleil, sun. Un soleil. Livre, book. Un livre. Voiture, car, feminine. Une voiture. École, school, feminine form as well. Une école. Décision. Une décision. Don't ask me to translate this décision. Come on, please. Ami, so I've been taking this now. Look, ami here. So we've got the masculine form and it's the singular. Remember, if you want to put the plural form, then you just add this final S here. Okay, but then technically you pronounce it the same way. So singular form ami, plural form you add this S, but it's ami as well. Okay, in that case you get des, so here des, okay, here, and then there is this little liaison. Remember, it's been introduced in a previous lesson. You put this little link between the word. Des amis. Okay, I've been taking voiture here, voiture, a car. Okay, just add this S at the end and then you get the plural form, des voitures. Okay, and then I've been taking back this livre, same thing, you just add S at the end, des livres. Okay, let's repeat them one more time. Un, une, des. Un ami, un soleil, un livre, une voiture, une école, une décision, des amis, des voitures, des livres.